There has recently been a student strike for environmental sustainability arising from the battle of Greta Thunberg, a young girl who shocked public opinion by paying attention to the great problem of pollution. From an eco-sustainable point of view, various methods of alternative energy and construction resources have been studied to reduce both the consumption of fossil fuels as much as possible and the parameters of environmental pollution. Let's see them together.
The eco-sustainable buildings are those buildings that from an energy and environmental point of view do not damage the ecosystem and harmonize with the surrounding environment. In recent years, the market for prefabricated houses has grown considerably due to the use of non-polluting and low-cost construction materials.
The materials that are used in eco-sustainable construction are materials that can be found in nature, such as wood, clay, stone, straw, glass and cork. In construction, wood is mostly used because it is a flexible, adaptable, thermodynamic and environmentally friendly material.
A famous example of an eco-sustainable building is the Falling Water House by Frank Lloyd Wright. The house, built in 1937, consists of limestone walls and reinforced concrete terraces overlooking a small waterfall and with long, wide windows that blend the interior of the house with the outside.
Say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Wind energy is one of the energy sources exploited since ancient times. It is in itself the kinetic energy of the wind and its conversion into mechanical or electrical energy. Fuel in most station application is the nautical one through the use of the sail, the one and the windmills, and today we see that the wind energy is the exploited for the electrical production. Wind energy therefore is the kinetic energy produced by the moving of the air and usually called wind. Wind is the movement of air on the Earth's surface between areas of high pressure and low pressure.
Electric energy is obtained from turbines that transform movement of the blades moved by the wind into electricity. As in paper swivels, so the wind move the large wind turbine blades, creating kinetic energy. The blades are connected to a rotor in turn connected to a shaft, which send the rotation energy to the electric and generator located at the base of the structure. This generator uses a magnet and the properties of electromagnetic induction to produce an electrical voltage and therefore electrical energy.
Wind farms are often located on hills and very windy areas to ensure energy production for all months of the year. These parks are developing all over the world because they exploit the wind and therefore do not produce toxic gases such as CO2.
We are in pixels on a screen. No
Solar panels are special panels in glass, silicon, plastic and copper that transform solar energy into useful energy for humans because they generate heat and electricity. Despite being outwardly similar, there are several solar panel technologies. The energy source is always the same solar energy, but some panels are useful for heating water, while others for electricity production.
Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head.
Solar panel can be distinguished by the type of task cover. For example, if the panel transforms solar rays into electrical energy, these are called photovoltaic solar panels. While if they deal with water heating, are called thermal solar panel.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Solar panels can be installed above the roofs of houses, companies, and can be installed in very spacious grounds forming solar parks. Many countries have built large solar parks to produce clean energy by exploiting a truly inexhaustible resource.